In this problem, we are looking at the domain and range of a mapping diagram. So this says to complete the sentence about the relation. And it says the domain of the relation is, and we need to select our domain. Now remember, the domain is the set of inputs. So it's our set of x values, which is usually here on the left in the mapping diagram. Now it's important when we list these numbers that are here in the left that we list them in numerical order. So from smallest to largest. So my smallest value is -3. So my input, I'm going to have -3. And then my next smallest is -1. And then 2. And then 4. Now another thing worth mentioning is if there is more than one of something, say for example there's a second -1 in here, I would only list it once. Okay, so if there's any repeats, only list it once. So the domain that I wrote out does match D. So now the range is a listing of all of the outputs, or all of the y values. When we do this, again, it has to be in numerical order, so counting order. And if there's any repeats, you have to just write it once. So my smallest value for my output is 0, and then 4, and then 7. So in this case, C is our range.